Learn English with Jennifer. Lesson 52. WH questions in the simple present.
So, do you drink coffee in the afternoon?
Yes.
Do you drink coffee in the evening?
Yes.
Okay, so if I ask you, when do you drink coffee?
I drink
Coffee.
afternoon.
In the afternoon.
In the afternoon, I drink coffee in the breakfast.
At breakfast.
At breakfast,
So you can say, I drink coffee all day.
I drink coffee all day.
I drink coffee in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. I drink coffee all day.
All day. Yes.
Okay, so why do you drink a lot of coffee? Do you understand why?
Why? Because I'm tired.
Because I'm tired.
Because I'm sleep.
Because I'm sleepy.
Sleep.
I'm sleepy.
Sleeping.
Sleepy.
Sleeping.
Yeah. I'm
Yes.
tired. I'm sleepy. Good.
Yes.
So my questions now are not yes, no. I'm asking for information. When do you drink coffee? Why do you drink coffee? I can also ask where.
Where?
Well, I know you drink coffee all the time. How about breakfast? You have a kitchen and you have a dining room.
Yes.
Where do you eat breakfast?
In the kitchen.
In the kitchen. What about dinner? Where does your family eat dinner?
Dining room.
In the dining room.
In the dining room.
Right, so you say, we eat dinner.
Where in dining room?
We eat.
We eat in the dining room.
We eat in the dining room.
We eat the dining room.
Remember then, when we make questions with these verbs, eat, have, love, drink, we need help. We use do, does. Right? I can ask, where do you eat breakfast? But where does your family eat dinner? Right? Where does your son or your daughter or your family? Can you ask me a question about me or my family?
Where does your family dinner?
Where does your family
Eat dinner?
Again? Where?
Where does your family eat dinner?
We eat dinner in the kitchen. Why? Because we don't have a dining room. Information questions. Sometimes we call them WH questions because these questions use words with WH. WH like where,
What?
when,
What?
why. But also for more information we have words like how, which,
What?
what, or who. Yes, you could ask who. So these are question words. Right? Can you say with me who,
Who?
where,
Who is the where?
where,
When?
when,
Why?
why, how,
Which?
what. Okay?
What.
So these help us make questions to get information questions. So we need our question word, our WH word, and then we need our helping verb again, do or does. Right? Then the subject, for example, do you or does she or your family, and then we go back to our verb. When do you, I got one. When do you, wake up in the morning, right? We sleep and we
5
wake up.
o'clock.
At 5 o'clock. o'clock?
6 o'clock.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
So I asked you, when do you wake up? When
Wake
do you
up.
wake up?
Wake
I
up
wake up
at 5 o'clock
5 o'clock in the morning.
in the morning.
I'm sorry for you. Why? Why do
My-
you wake up at 5 o'clock?
My children,
Because.
my daughter,
Okay, give me the sentence. Because.
because my daughter wake up at 5 o'clock.
Okay, because my daughter wakes up.
Weeks,
I wake, but she wakes. Yes.
weeks, weeks,
Because my daughter
weeks,
up.
weeks up at 5 o'clock.
Oh boy. How do you do it? How do you wake up at 5 o'clock? Do you-
I drink coffee.
Okay.
Let's review one more time how we make information questions with verbs in the simple present. We begin with a question word. Then we need a helping verb, do or does. Then comes our subject. Then comes our main verb. The main verb has no endings. It's in the base form. Here are two examples. Where do you live? Where does he live? Let's practice some more. Exercise. Read the question. Correct the mistake. Let's do an example together. Question. Where does Natasha and Jennifer live? Answer. They live in the United States. Look at the question again. Do you see a mistake? Natasha and Jennifer are two people, they. Our helping verb should be do. Where do Natasha and Jennifer live? Now you try number 1. Read the question and answer. The mistake is in the question. Can you fix it? The question is, how many days a week do Jennifer's children go to school? They go to school 5 days a week. The question needs a helping verb. Again, how many days a week do Jennifer's children go to school? Two. Question. What does Jennifer teach? She teaches English. Remember, the structure is question word plus helping verb plus subject plus the main verb with no endings. The main verb is in the base form. 3. Question. When do Jennifer and Natasha have their lessons? They have their lessons in the morning. Remember, we need a helping verb. When do Jennifer and Natasha have their lessons? 4. Question. How many children does Natasha have? She has 3 children. Remember the structure. Question word plus helping verb plus subject plus main verb. 5. Question. Why does Jennifer like to eat at Natasha's home? Because Natasha is a very good cook. And that is very true.